IP network security has always been a big concern, of course, in networks, but now that we're moving to this hyper-connected world of IoT, security becomes even more important. What we should all realize is that within the next 3 to 5 years, between 20 and 40 billion IoT devices are going to get connected to our networks, and that increases the attack surface pretty dramatically. We need to understand that a lot of those devices are going to be designed for mass-scale deployments, not necessarily taking security in mind. A lot of them will get installed, might never get upgraded or patched, so they become ideal candidates, an ideal platform for cyber criminals to abuse, to infect with their malware, and to basically make them part of a larger botnet to launch devastating DDoS attacks. We're already seeing an increase of DDoS attacks right now. If you look at the 2016 statistics, we basically saw 100 gigabits per second DDoS attacks almost on a daily basis. We even saw terabit level of DDoS attacks, and we're just starting this digital transformation that IoT will bring. So things are going to get worse. So the result is that we need a new approach to deal with those DDoS attacks. The current approaches, which rely on scrubbing centers or scrubbing blades and routers, are not going to be sufficient, not going to be scalable or economical in the future. We fundamentally believe at Nokia that the network needs to be part of the solution. So we've designed our FlexPath 4 silicon with the ability to do enhanced packet inspection and control. So we can basically detect DDoS traffic in the fast paths and mitigate the traffic in the routers itself. Insight-driven automation is a very important topic with our customers right now. They want to automate as many of the operational processes as they can. An initial use case for sure is automated IP network security. I think that's a top priority for our customers. They want to be able to get insight in DDoS activity in their network immediately, and then install the policies to mitigate those DDoS attacks automatically as well. This gives you a very fast reaction cycle, which is critical for DDoS attacks. But there are obviously other use cases for automation as well. I think an important one is automated service provisioning with dynamic assurance. The use case here is where a customer can go on a portal, he can provision a service online, and then using real-time insights on resource availability, we will be doing optimal placements of those services in the networks with dynamic assurance, meaning if network conditions change in the network, we can place the service or replace the service in another part of the network to make sure we meet the SLAs. The third use case for insight-driven automation is what we call multi-dimensional flow steering. So this is the use case where customers want to take selected flows and move them from the shortest path to another path in the network, either because they want to optimize network resource utilization, or they want to deliver better quality of experience to the end user.